Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is finally here, and it's a beauty of a device. But let's get real. The first thing most of us do is search for one accessory that gives us peace of mind, a great case. I've been living with the MagBak Elite case for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL for a little over a week now, and I can tell you it's more than just a case. It's an extension of the phone itself. So in this video, we're gonna go over everything from how it feels in your hand to how it completely transforms the way you use your phone, especially in your car. So stick around with me, hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos covering even the iPhone 17 series. Okay, so let's start with the most basic thing, how the phone feels in your hand. This is where the MagBak Elite shines. The built-in finger loop and the soft touch pinky pillow on the bottom makes holding this big phone feel completely effortless and secure. No more hand cramps or worrying about it slipping out of your grip. This little detail makes a world of difference for anyone who uses their phone all day long, and the side grips also add that extra layer of confidence and grip. And beyond just the feel, the case has some really clever tricks up its sleeve. The kickstand on the back is so sturdy, you can easily prop it up to watch a video or take a video call on the table, and it holds pretty firm. It's such a simple feature, but it's one that you'll use constantly. I know I've been using it. And for those who love to customize, the case comes with these replaceable accent packs, so you can change the color of the camera ring, the side buttons, and the grips to match your style. It's all about making the case truly your own with the MagBak Elite. Another bonus with this case is the fact that you get a full coverage glass screen protector right inside the box. And the best part is that the packaging itself becomes the installation tray, which makes putting it on a breeze. No bubbles, no hassle, just an easy installation. And that's exactly what we like to see. Now, where the whole MagBak ecosystem comes together is inside my car. I have a 2025 Tesla Model 3, and the MagBak charger is designed specifically for my car, and they also have it for the Model Y. It's made from solid aluminum that matches the interior perfectly, and it doesn't clutter up the space and feels like it came right from the factory. The magnetic connection is so strong that even on bumpy California roads, my phone doesn't budge at all. It also provides up to 10 watts of wireless charging while it's mounted, so your phone is always ready to go. And the best part is how seamless it all is. I get in the car, I slap my phone on the charger, and it stays put and charges without any cables or mounts I have to mess around with. Just the initial installation of the charger, and it's a small change, but it makes a big difference every single day. So if you're looking for a case that solves everyday frustrations and make your phone more functional, the MagBak Elite is a fantastic choice. It goes way beyond the basic protection and turns your phone into a more versatile tool. The finger loop, the kickstand, and the magnetic mounting, and let's not forget the seamless integration with the MagBak Tesla charger all work together to make your life easier. Again, so if you're looking to grab one of these cases for yourself for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, all the links are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you want to see in my next review. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.